This is Barbara Template, and today I'm going to show you how to save and search for brands and how to use the brands. It's one of my favorite tools. I like to use it. I use it quite often. So let's start. I'm sharing my screen. So what is it, a brand? I'll show you. I just opened some design. Okay, I open a blank design. What does it mean, brands? I mean, every element that you see in Canva, every image, every animation is made by someone, and the person that made it, it's called brand. Yeah. So, for example, I use this background, yeah, for my image. And I really like this background. How do I find what brand is it? And I use also some graphics there. Yeah, let's say, okay, I use this one. Yeah, let's say we're creating something, and I really like this one. Okay, yes. Yeah, somewhere here, for example. So, I like this style, and I want to use with elements, so the elements of the very similar style, or with images, I want to use the similar images or images in the similar style. So what do I do? So when you pick some element or image that you want, you go here to 3 dots, and over here, as you can see, you can see up here who made it. This one was made by Sketchify. So I click on it, and I can see everything that was made by Sketchify. They actually do a lot of it. And as you can see over here, I've got brand, and I've got some combination of letters and numbers. So this is the brand name. What I usually do, I've got a separate file in Evernote, which I'm using. And over there, I always copy this brand, write a little note, and then I always I actually share it with you on Instagram, and I create a little post with the brands. Let me show you. This helps me when I like something, when I like some style, some type of images and so on. I either save it or I save the name of the brand. I also show you how to save it. And then next time when I'm doing some design, I can come back to this and I can see, oh yeah, it was this one or that one. Yeah. And I can find the similar elements, or I can find it again. So yeah, as you can see, for example, here, so this is one of the brand doing this type of images, or this one, yeah, it's some kind of line art. This one, it's some kind of like 3D animations. This one, it's more about organic design. So when I'm, if I would go and do some kind of templates in organic design, and so I can look over here and I can just search for the brand. Yeah, as you can see, I've got a few of them. So what I can do, I can just go this one and copy, yes, and insert it here in the elements, search bar. And now I've got all the elements which were made from this brand. And as you can see, this brand makes kind of a similar style elements, and I can use it. Yeah. So this is a great thing when you're doing some kind of design, you like something, you don't want to forget it. So this is how you find the brands. Let's go back to elements and let's see this one with images. Okay, maybe let's go for photos. Okay, what other photos we have here? Let's go for recently used photos. So for example, I really like this image. My brand is some kind of boho style. So this is kind of image I can really use in my posts on social media, and I want to find similar images. Yeah, so I go to 3 dots. Okay, so this is kind of a pro free. So I click on it, Oops, there. So this is Canva Pro. So this, let's try some different ones, something more. Okay, let's try this one, some image of nature. Oh, that's again a free image. Usually this one goes with the images which are a bit more specific. So let's try this one. Okay, the pink one. And as you can see, the name is Tisum. So I click on it, and this brand has pretty similar style on the images as you can see. Yeah, so I can again save the brand, write it down somewhere, and next time I want to use this type of image, usually it's some kind of like background in one color, simple image, lots of food, yeah, as you can see, or some nature maybe. So I know I go here and I use it here. Another way how to do it, when you don't save the brand, but you just save some image or element that you like, but you know the next time you'll be looking for it, you won't find it. So it's you go on the element or image, again, 3 dots, and you star it. Yeah, you go to star. Okay, and now if you go to all your designs, no, once again, if you go to folders here on the left, and here you go to start, yes, you can see, so it's over here. Yeah, so when you're creating your design next time, you can come back to it. I've got also some elements here that I really like, and I knew the next time probably I won't be able to find them because I won't insert the right keyword or something, so I've got them over here, as you can see. And also, once I got them over here, I can go 3 dots and I can look at the brand, click on the brand, and as you can see, this brand has a very similar style of the frames and elements. As you can see, it's pretty all similar, so I can save the brand, for example. Yeah, so this is how you can save images, elements, even actually works with video and audio, with everything what's in Canva for later, and how you can maybe collect some ideas for your next projects, for your next design. So that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.